a pleasure doing business here at Auto Works of Brandon.
Oh, thank you, Jay.
You're welcome.
Hi, I'm Mike Rubio, the owner of Auto Works of Brandon, and we would like to thank you, the community, for choosing us as the Brandon's Best 2014 Gold winner in automotive repair. Thank you, Brandon, for choosing us.
I bought this car in about 2007. While they were shipping it, they damaged the combustion chamber, and then it sat in our garage for about 3 to 4 years. I looked around. They didn't specialize in rebuilding the car. The only place I found was Auto Works of Brandon. They've been very responsive. Anything I need for the car, they get it done. It's not like other places where you take the car to get fixed, then it breaks down for something else the day after, and you have to take it back. No, once it gets fixed here, it stays fixed.
As you can see, we run full diagnostics on German automobiles. It's hot in the Tampa area, and here in Brandon, we service air conditioning. This is our customer who brought this vehicle from Europe, and we've been servicing it for over 1 year.